Hey everyone! Today we're checking out a powerful, budget-friendly 3-channel dash cam that gives you complete front, inside, and rear coverage, the 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p dash cam with STARVIS 2 sensor. Let's take a quick look at what it can do. 4K plus dual 1080p triple channel recording. Up front you get true 4K video, with 1080p interior and 1080p rear coverage. That means crystal clear plates, faces, and road details from every angle. STARVIS 2 sensor plus HDR Night Vision. With the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, low-light performance gets a major boost. Plus, HDR Night Vision helps balance bright headlights and dark roads for clearer nighttime footage. 24-hour parking mode. Even when your car is off, the dash cam keeps watch. The 24H parking mode auto-records when it detects motion or impact, great for parking lots and overnight protection. Built-in GPS. Built-in GPS logging tracks your route, speed, and location. Super helpful for evidence or trip tracking. Free 64GB memory card included. And unlike many dash cams, this one comes with a free 64GB memory card, so you can install and start recording right out of the box. Excellent video clarity in all 3 channels for full coverage. Strong night performance thanks to STARVIS 2 plus HDR. Parking mode plus included memory card adds great value for the price. Menu system can feel a bit technical for first-time users. 4K recording uses storage quickly, so upgrading the card later is recommended. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed dash cam that won't break the bank, this 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p 3-channel dash cam is a great pick. Check it out using the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.